Hello everybody, welcome back to Thunder Valley CV Shop. You got the Wolfman here. Finally, we got some more of these Connex 3400s in. Beautiful radios. They've already been converted, peak tuned and aligned. They're 370 plus tax. Got a Cobra Night Watch here, it's 165. And I have a Cobra Chrome down here. Those are 180. I still have some nice Turner noise canceling mics, and we have some nice external speakers. I also have the Pro 520 XL. Those are $68. $50 peak tune line, so they're 118 plus tax. And I have a special request here. So my son painted this painting, and he's selling that for $40. And let me know if y'all want to buy it. Come on in, check out the shop. Once again, we're selling out of antennas as usual. All right, I thank y'all for watching. Please go to my YouTube page and subscribe and like. Y'all be safe and God bless.